thank you for coming and taking time to attend tonight. No? Tonight is a special night. It's not just because of my birthday. It's because of it's our mid-year fellowship.
BB Crew, make some noise! Ay, dumating na si Sir Nico, please.